Hello friends. To transfer music from computer to iPhone, firstly you want to launch iTunes on your PC. This page is called iTunes Library. Now first we will add songs from computer to iTunes Library and then we will transfer songs from iTunes Library to iPhone. So now go to File option on the main menu bar. Select Add File to Library. A new pop-up window will appear. You want to browse to the folder where you have kept all your songs, then drag and select all the songs that you want to add to iTunes and hit Open. Now we have added 5 songs to our iTunes library. Now connect your iPhone to your iTunes using USB cable. So as you can see, here is our iPhone section. And when I tap on music, we can see the songs available on iPhone. We already have 5 songs on our iPhone. Now there are 2 different methods to add songs from your computer to your iPhone. The first one is manual method and the another one is automatic syncing method. I'll show you both the methods. I'll tell you the advantage and disadvantage of each method and then you can decide which method you want to choose. So let's try the manual method first. Firstly, tap on this little iPhone icon on the top left corner. Now this is your iPhone page. Here you can see all the settings for your iPhone related to iTunes. Here under summary section, make sure you select this checkbox. Manually manage music and videos. So if you're Apple Music subscriber, you will not see this option. You will see only manually manage videos. So there is another way of adding songs to your iPhone. I'll add a separate tutorial in the cards as well as in the description below. You can check out that tutorial. And now you want to hit apply button on the bottom right corner and then hit done. Now we are back to iTunes library page. Now to transfer songs from iTunes library to your iPhone, you want to select all the songs from iTunes library and then drag them onto the iPhone section. That's all. As you can see, now we have total 10 songs on our iPhone. We had 5 earlier and we added 5 more. Total is 10. This manual method is highly recommended because this will allow you to add songs to your iPhone without deleting the old songs on your iPhone. As you saw, we already had 5 songs on our iPhone and we added 5 more and the total is now 10. One of the best example of using this method could be, let's say you're visiting your friend's house. You want to transfer few songs from his computer to your iPhone and you don't want to sync your iPhone with his iTunes. In this case, this method will be very useful. Now let's check out the second method to transfer songs to iPhone. Firstly, tap on this little iPhone icon. Now we are on iPhone settings page. Here select music. And now select this checkbox sync music. Now it says if you have music, movies, TV shows and books synced from another iTunes library, it will delete them and replace it with data in your current iTunes library. If you remember, we have 5 songs in iTunes library and 10 songs on our iPhone. So if we continue with this method, iTunes will delete 5 songs from our iPhone which are not there in iTunes library. So let's try this method. Hit remove and sync. Now before we proceed, we have few more options like we can sync only selected songs if you don't want to sync entire music library. And you can include videos as well as voice memos. I'm gonna keep all these options blank for the purpose of this tutorial. So now you want to go ahead and hit this apply button on the bottom right corner. Now let's hit done. Now we are back to iTunes library page. Now when I tap on music option under iPhone section, you can see we are now left with only 5 songs. Earlier we had 10 songs on iPhone. iTunes has deleted those 5 extra songs which were not there on iTunes library. As you can see, we have 5 songs in iTunes library and 5 songs on iPhone. So iTunes library and iPhone are in sync now. So if you go with this automatic syncing method, you might lose songs on your iPhone which are not there in your iTunes library. So decide which method you want to use. I hope you understood how to transfer music from your computer to iPhone. And if you found this video useful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.